Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power lift gate, power mirrors, traction control system, luggage rack, outside temperature gauge, rear window wiper, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.